Thank you for joining me today. My name is Erica, and this is a meditation on silence. For those of us who have questions in life, we must also believe that the answer to those questions reside within. We all have this capacity to quiet the mind, to enter the silence, and to know our truth. In this meditation, it's a very powerful statement to just say, sometimes I don't know what my truth is. I don't know what I feel. I guarantee you that the more you embrace silence, the more you turn inside to find these answers, time and time again, there is something inside of you that knows this truth. It makes it much easier when we do this together. So I'm glad you joined me today. Whenever you're ready, let's find a comfortable seat and we'll begin. Okay, let's begin. You're just going to find a comfortable seat, palms on the thighs, index finger and thumb together. Lengthen through the spine as you close the eyes. And we're going to take a few rounds of breathing with the mouth open, inhaling through the mouth. And exhale through the mouth. Good. Inhale through the mouth. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the mouth. And exhale through the mouth. Now this time close the lips and inhale through the nose. And we'll exhale through the mouth. Good. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Good. One more. Inhale through the nose. This time exhale through the nose. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Go to Ujjayi breathing, inhaling through the nose. And exhale through the nose. And without forcing or manipulating the breath, just stay with a rhythm that's soft but focused. Good, precise but gentle. And use that breathing, that audible breathing, to follow the depth within. Notice how the body becomes still. How the breath continues to move. And notice what information is being revealed. In sensations, contractions, expansions. And search for evenness in the breathing, evenness in your energy. And don't feel as though you have to go looking for it. It's just who you are right now in this moment. Without trying to change or fix anything, just observe what is. Making real contact with the depth of your breathing. Breath that comes from the belly. And without resistance here, just let memories come flooding in. Noticing if the mind is projecting into the future or reminiscing about the past. And then observe it so that the thinking dissolves into sensing and feeling. And using your mind's eye to visualize the element of light being pulled into the body. Visualizing the light being pulled into the body, and that light oxygenating your system. The posture gets more confident. The heart becomes more soft. And find the deep belly breath once again. And as you breathe from the belly, this deepens your capacity to feel. It deepens the emotions and the ability to just accept whatever is. And as we enter into the depth of this silence, can you just observe here without bias, without expectations, without interruptions? Just using your breathing to broaden your perspective. Whenever you catch the mind moving into memories, into thoughts, just gently come back to the breathing, making the breath bigger. Begin to deepen your breathing. And calling in all the new ideas, new experiences that the silence had to offer today. Just nurturing the wisdom and the information that was revealed. And feeling it grow in the belly, get warm in the heart. And spend a few more breaths here just experiencing yourself as light. What does life have to offer you as you experience the silence? And to close, we'll bring the hands together in front of the heart center. And just offer up our gratitude. Offer up the wisdom that comes when we get really still. And may the silence teach us something about listening, about possibility, and about healing. And just honoring this place inside of you that is full of truth, full of joy, full of love. When you're in that place in you and I'm in that place in me, we are one. Namaste.